Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make roux in the oven. This method is fantastic because it requires much less active stirring than the stovetop version, freeing you up for other tasks. We'll start by combining equal amounts of all-purpose flour and a neutral oil, like vegetable or canola, in a heavy, oven-safe pot. Whisk it until it's perfectly smooth, then preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your oven is preheated, carefully place the uncovered pot with your flour and oil mixture inside. The magic of the oven is its consistent heat, but you'll still need to stir it every 20 to 30 minutes. This ensures even browning and prevents any scorching. For a rich, dark roux, expect it to bake for about 1.5 to 2.5 hours, depending on your desired color. The beauty of oven roux is controlling the color. A light roux, cooked for about 20 minutes, is perfect for thickening gravies and creamy sauces. For a medium, peanut butter-colored roux, which takes around 40 minutes, you'll get a nutty flavor great for stews. If you're aiming for a deep, chocolate brown roux, essential for gumbos, continue baking for up to 2.5 hours. Remember, darker roux offers more flavor but less thickening power. Once your roux reaches the perfect color, immediately transfer it to a cooler container to stop the cooking process. Let it cool completely to room temperature before storing. You can keep your homemade oven roux in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 6 months, or freeze it for up to 1 year. This makes it incredibly convenient to have on hand for your favorite recipes whenever you need it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.